Hello and welcome again to this channel. So here's another maths problem. M plus n is equal to a. Mn is equal to 48. M is what? N is what? So here's the solution. So for these two equations, let us consider that this is the first equation and this is the second equation. So for first equation, that is m plus n is equal to a. Then we can take m to the other side so that this n is equal to 8 minus m. So we have n is equal to 8 minus m. Then for second equation, like this, mn is equal to 48. Now, for the value of n, so that is m times 8 minus n equals 48. Then let's multiply m times a, that is 8m. And then m times negative m, that is negative m squared, equals 48. And the next is, let's arrange this equation by taking 48 for the other side. So that is 8m minus m squared minus 48, and this will be equal to 0. And we can write it again as negative m squared plus 8m minus 48 equals 0. And then here, since it's negative, we are going to divide by negative 1. So that is negative m squared plus 8m minus 48 equals 0 divided by negative 1. And also to the other side, negative 1. So negative n squared divided by negative 1, that is m squared. 8m divided by negative 1, that is negative 8m or minus 8m. Then negative 48 divided by negative 1, that is plus 48 equals 0 divided by negative 1, that is 0. And the next is, since this is a quadratic equation, we are going to use a quadratic formula to find the values of n. But before that one, let's identify the values of a, b, and c. For a, that is 1. For b, that is negative 8. For c, that is 48. And now the quadratic formula is m is equal to negative b positive negative square root of b squared minus square ac all over 2a. And then to continue, let's substitute the values of a, b, and c to the formula. So that is m is equal to negative, b is negative 8. So that is negative times negative 8, positive negative square root of b squared, that is negative 8 squared, minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is 48. All over 2 times a, which is 1. So 2 times 1. And then next, m is equal to negative times negative a, that is positive 8. And then positive negative square root of negative 8 squared, that is positive 64. Negative 4 times 1, that is negative 4. Times 48, that is negative 192 or minus 192. All over 2 times 1, that is 2. The next, m is equal to a positive negative square root of 64 minus 192. That is negative 128. All over 2. The next m equals a positive negative square root of or negative 128. We can split that into 64 times 2 times negative 1. Since we have b negative sign. All over 2. And then moving on, m is equal to 8 positive negative. Square root of 64, that is a. Square root of negative 1, that is I. And then square root of 2, all over 2. And then that is m is equal to 8 divided by 2, that is 4. Positive negative. 8i divided by 2, that is 4i. Square root of 2. Now for this, we can have two values of m. So the m1, that is equal to 4 plus 4i square root of 2. And for m2, that is equal to 4 minus 4i square root of 2. To continue, since we have the values of m, now we are going to find the values of n. By using the equation, n is equal to 8 minus n. So let's substitute the values of m. So that is n is equal to a minus the values of m, that is 4 plus 4i square root of 2. So this will be n is equal to 8 minus, or the negative sign, negative times 4, that is negative 4. Negative times positive 4i, that is negative or minus 4i square root of 2. So we have 8 minus 4 minus 4i square root of 2. And the value of n1 is equal to 4 minus 4i square root of 2. And then next, n is equal to a minus 4 minus 4i square root of 2. Next, n is equal to 8. Negative times 4, that is negative 4 or minus 4. Negative times negative 4i, that is plus 4i square root of 2.